You sure you're recording?
Yeah.
Have fun! Just scream!
Just scream! Come on, you'll be okay.
You'll be fine. Don't be scared, right now.
Hindi sa'yo. Ay, yung cellphone niya. Oy, Casey, come here.
Over here, come here, you don't here.
Naku, magka-holding yun.
You're supposed to like
Appreciate
put your-
it.
You know, you're supposed to like put your arms around each other's thing so that you guys don't like pull apart or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Para di mo kayo wala.
Yeah. Come on, Casey, look at Ninong, look. Ay!
Did they get a reaction when they did that?
No, Tucson kind of probably gave him a warning.
No, us.
Yeah, we screamed.
I know, but did they get that on
I
video?
don't know. Let's read. I mean, let's read.
I think they did. I think they did.
Ask Tucson. Tucson said he didn't get us.
Yes!
You'll be okay, man.
Go, Reno! Have fun! Just scream!
Look at Reynolds.
Reynald, look up.
You'll be okay.
Don't look down. Just look up.
Look at him. Look at him. He's like, he's about ready to. He's ready to blow.
Ano pala sapatos ang dala ni Baho? Look up, sir.
No, read that!
look up.
Read!
Woo! You okay?
No, going back now!
No.
He's like,
Oh.
let me do
Oh my god.
Close your eyes.
No, if you close your eyes, you'll get a headache.
Yeah.
Plus, it won't let you.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
And it's not fun.
32 West Drive.
You recorded this time?
Got everything.
It's fun. It's just scary on the first drop.
He wants his mommy. Ray wants his mommy. I was reading the sign. No, he wants his mom.